I can help. Huh? Okay, Ishan. 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 Can you do me a favor and get me a battery? A battery. Yeah, from there. Alright, hello stream. Yes. So, that took some time, but I basically have stream set up now, along with my hardware. One of them has low battery, but like, we'll be continuing from where we left off last time. Huh? No. What about my cell? My battery cell. Oh shit! Who the frick is Mediapalm? Oh, da. Why the frick do you have this, my dude? Right, left. Yeah, this one has low battery. Big fan, my ass. I bet bro's texting me. Never mind, bro is not texting me. So, if I can get this open. We'll be continuing. I don't even know if the stream can hear me properly, actually. But we'll hope so, right? We'll be continuing doing the meta Spacial SDK and try getting some custom stuff inside the current sample that we've been provided. Hopefully. So it's replacing my battery right now. And there. Oh, 20%. Hey, you know what? 10 to 20 seems that's kind of nice. Works with me. Yo. Alright. So, what we did last time? Last time, if we go to here, we were doing the hello world sample, right? And we ran this starter sample that involved Android SDK and my headset. So wire. Ignore this. This is a previous project of mine. Start a sample. This window. Terminate this instance. Put these batteries aside and let's plug my headset in. Hey, is anyone else coming? Here. Why is there a line outside UV? Alright. No, not line. There we go. How long this has been running? I don't know. Alright. Android SDK. So importing the starter project from the Gradle project files. So we can click on app. If that would load up. No device is connected. I have a device connected. However, just not in developer settings. I think I have to allow it to be connected. Give me a controller. No. Yeah. So take this out, plug it in, and allow for USB debugging. Yes, that's pretty important. Now you can see Oculus Quest 2 has shown up over here. App, show all. Why is this taking so long? Since when did Gradle take so long? Java generated, huh? Yes, Gradle. For the record, my PC might crash at any moment. Just be aware of that. If stream suddenly just goes, that's because my PC crashed. I will be opening YouTube Studio on my phone so that uh, you know I can stop stream if my PC crashes. Oh, it's done. Lovely, lovely. So I believe we go here, here, and here. No, perhaps not. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We don't need to worry about this right now. So let's begin looking at the documentation. So first, Spacial SDK application setup. So complete hello world and download the Spacial editor. I have both of that done. Yes, I have the Spacial editor. Beautiful. So you can go into the application. You can go around panel input. Um, What does this do? Okay, this shows that input can be registered. Alright, alright, alright. Now we do add a cube. We've already finished this last game. Now this is the good stuff. So, you learn how to add a cube to your Spacial app and then change its appearance. The main activity includes an on-scene ready function. The system calls on scene ready when the spatial scene is ready to be populated. To add a cube, you have to modify the on scene ready function. And now it's really open sample KT file, Kotlin. Never touched Kotlin before, but it's in sample starter application app SSE main Java com meta spatial. Okay, inside app. Where is that? Where is that? Okay, I am already inside app. App build assets. This. Oh, it just might just be this. Okay, right. Why are there a bunch of errors over here? Why why are the errors? I didn't even do anything yet. End of the on-scene ready function, add this code. Okay, we'll read through the code in just a second. No, not you guys. One of the viewers. Right. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. So first of all, let's try running this. Gradle build running. Alright, it is building, I think. Gradle. Is it supposed to take this long? Why is it taking longer than Unity? What the heck? One second. I go to GitHub desktop. Did something happen? Where is it? Learning this. This is Unity. Oh, frick. I'm in the wrong one. This one. Oh. Oh, I messed up. I did some edits by mistake, I think. Huh. That might be an issue. Okay. Yeah, it is running. Bit finished. So if I'm in here, do I actually see the build or not? Yes, I do. Lovely. So, um, just so that we can recap, let me just go this and do Meta Quest Developer Hub. Open this. Device Manager. Cast. Just so that you guys can see what I'm seeing, right? So put that in there. So this is our scene. Oh, my controller is lagging like heck. Causes issues. Oh my goodness. Epilepsy warning. Um, go there. Why my controller is lagging so much? This is borderline unusable. Go here. But the point is that we have a starter scene, and I can click on this, and I'm getting haptic feedback. So yes, this does work. Okay, okay, okay. I get it. I get it. So it works. Thank goodness. Don't know why it shows like that, but it does work. No. So now the first thing I'm going to do is git stash everything. Git stash everything. Cancel. Pull the origin. History. Focus. Okay, a lot of focus and stuff. That's kind of nice. Um, Works with me. Okay. Come back to Android Studio, and we still have an error. Oh, cancel that. Discard. Discard. Alright. Why is the job throwing an error? I don't know. This is kind of retarded. I need syntax highlighting. Show context actions. I think I need to clean the project. Where is Gradle? Gemini? Device manager cost tool. Gradle. Gradle, I think it's called. Okay, I don't know what it's called. Never mind. Um, okay, okay, okay. Let's move on. Let's move on. I don't know why everything's going like that, but I don't care. So, moving on. Over here, um, we have our file open. So, different file path, but it works. So, add the dependencies. So, I'm going to come up here and in the imports. Oh, that's a lot of imports. Control V. So, these are the new imports that I've done. Why is syntax highlighting not working? What's wrong with Gradle? What are you analyzing? Compose file. I just started streaming. How are you throwing an error? Show an explorer. The Spacial SDK. I'm going to actually close this exit and then I'm going to delete this. It's completely gone. Now clone again. Basically, I'm re-cloning everything because for some reason everything not working correctly. That should hopefully fix my problem. And I didn't do any edits regardless, so it's cool. So it seems to be cloning a little fast. That's good. Let's just take a look at stream for a second. That seems to be working fine. Isn't it weird that you're the only one? No, it's not weird because I don't share my channel. So like, it doesn't matter. You get desktop done. Yes, it is. So in here, we have now this. So now I can go to Android Studio. So go back here. Oh, I'm supposed to be using starter sample. Oh shoot, I messed up. One sec. Open meta sample. Star sample. Okay, this window. Downloading the real stuff. Okay. Actually, how fast is my internet speed? Fast.com. College Wi-Fi. Oh, that's abysmal. Okay, it's better. That's actually good. Okay. Such fast Wi-Fi. Why is this taking so long? Sync is taking a significant amount of time than open sync window. Yeah, it is taking a lot of time for some reason. Control C. Android Studio. The same one. Um, don't know. Don't. Seems fine. It's just taking a little time. Everything seems to be a little faster now. Ah, shoot! It's downloading the entire repository, all the packages and stuff. This is gonna take a second or two. That's what happens when I reinstall everything. Gradle changes, migration changes, miscs, vis. Sure, I don't care, honestly speaking. How much longer is this gonna take? This is only left, I think. Yo, physics, that's kind of cool. While that happens, I think I'll just take a look at this real quick. In the hello world, open the starter project. That's what we did. Then you run it. And then in setup, we have that done. How long does Android Studio take for this kind of stuff, man? Like, bruh. Modifying UI, yo, I wonder what that uses. You done finally? You're still not done. Are you serious? Since 6 minutes. I'm scanning files for index now. Isn't that nice? Updating the indexes. Why? Yo, finally that took fucking. Oh, I can't press on stream. Oh no, I'm screwed. I have to know devices. Let's reconnect the device. Go back in headset and allow for USB debugging. Yes, allow. USB debugging is now allowed, and the Quest 2 is now visible again in the refreshed project, which hopefully works now. So if I go here, okay, no reds. Oh, frick. Why does this keep happening? I truly do not know. But it's fine. Not caring about it right now. Is it red? It's not red. At least it's not red. So first let's import this stuff. That's pretty cool. And then over here it says on the end of onSceneReady function, add this code. It passes the components to the entity.create method to create a red cube at world origin and id of scene in a single call. Okay. Wait, is this an entity component system? It is an ECS. Oh wow, I didn't know they built an ECS. That's kind of cool. We will read through this later. But yeah, anyways, it's an ECS. That's pretty interesting. Entity create, huh? Cool. So now I can go here and on scene ready. At the very end of on scene ready, there's already one entity that create over here. So Control V, Control S. So we are doing two entities. The first entity is a skybox, and you're applying a base texture Android resource ID. Okay, it's sky dome. Unlit, true. Okay, and then transform is 000. So it's like a huge sky dome. Then that makes sense. Okay. And then after any dot create list of. Why is it called list of? I don't know. Interesting. Then I do a mesh, a URL.parse.mesh box, then box vector3, this materials.apply, base color here, transform pose vector3 quaternion. Fair, yeah, that works. That works nice. Quaternion, though, I don't like this. Honestly speaking, I'm going to. Oop. Quaternion dot. Where's my autocorrect? Oh, you gotta be shitting me. No. No, this is BS. No. Oh, wait a sec. Oh, I don't need to put a semicolon there. Oh, this is within on scene ready. Okay. Wait, then don't I need to put a comma after this? Wait, what the frick? Does Kotlin not use. I don't know, man. Does Kotlin not use semicolons? I'm just confused. Build and run. So plug in your MetaQuest headset and it will build and run. Alright, build. While that's building, does Kotlin use semicolons? Oh, that's interesting. Why does it do it like that? I don't know. But hey, it is what it is. I am no one to complain about it. Though I will be using semicolons. I like my semicolons. I come from C sharp. How far behind are you, stream? Oh, you are that far behind. Okay. Build running. Why is everything and its mother throwing an error? Okay, built. So now can I see it? Can I like do this and do that? Now we both can see for the first time at the same time. That's pretty cool. Yo, there we go. The UI is there. Can you guys see it? Yes, you can. And there's a box. That's kind of nice. Convenient. Okay. So go back over here. You can adjust this stuff, right? Change green to 0.1. Okay, so adjust the color. Okay. Close that. And that's cool and all, but I really need my syntaxes, need my syntax highlighting. So over here, green can be, wait, if I make RGB, if I make this 0.1, make this 0.1, and make blue one, and then the transform, is this the position? X, Y, Z. Z is the up, I assume? One? Mm, I'm not sure. Transform normally has multiple values, right? And this is not working. Syntax highlighter is not working. Nothing is working. Java generated. You seem to be utterly useless. Manifests. No. S. Build. Don't tell me you're gonna take 7 hours again. You better not. I did some simple changes. Then you can import the Metaspatial SDK toolkit. Grabbable. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, it's done building. Okay, so go to cast, put this on, and hello. Yeah, that's kind of cool. So that's pretty easy. Um, come back here. So we made blue, and that's kind of very nice and all. But now, of the box. So, as per my understanding, we are actually adding components. We're adding components to our entity. That's the list of components. This is a list of components. So you're adding a list as in this is a mesh render and this is a transform. So as per my understanding, If my syntax highlighting could work correctly inside of list components, I should put grabbable. Yeah. So, okay, this is getting utterly ridiculous. Control V. Save that. Build map. I can now pick it up. Hopefully, that's on this. And this takes so long. This is ridiculous. How does anyone use this thing? Build done. Alright. So, player view, cast, fix that, do this and that. And here's my controller. And now you can grab it. Except my controller is fucking uncalibrated correctly. For some apparent reason, it glitches the heck out of itself. But yeah, I can grab stuff now. Oh, it's very interesting. I think it's facing towards me. Is it now? Yeah, it is. Why? What if I don't want it to? Okay, okay. Oh, frick, frick, frick. You're being uncooperative, controller. You are being uncooperative. Like it. Epilepsy warning. For me specifically. Okay. Can you just drag it down and it faces me? Does it face the camera? I think it faces the camera. Yeah, that's kind of cool though. That is in fact kind of cool. Was the video not visible? Or am I dumb? Wait. Yeah, that's the cube. I don't know if the video was visible properly. In which case, I saved you from a bunch of epilepsy. But yeah, you have a cube and we can move it around and it faces towards the camera, funnily enough. And welcome to the start of Spacial sample SDK thing. Alright, close that. Come back here. Let's go to modify UI and layouts. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to customize the content of a Spacial SDK panel and reposition it with your Spacial editor. Existing Android UI work out of the box with Spacial SDK panels, which can render layout XML or even full Android activities. Don't know what that is, but okay. Before you begin, add cube. Done that already. And you've seen there's a panel that says welcome on it. The panel is generated by standard Android UI code. The UI for the layout for this UI is in resources layout UI example or XML file. Oh, that's interesting. Change the XML in either code view shown below or design view shown in welcome. How do I do that? How can I edit the layout visually? Rebuild the application. Um, oh, this is like USD. Oh, this is convenient. Okay, okay, okay. Um, come here. Close that. Resources, layout, UI example. This is design view. This is code view. Oh, not gonna lie, this is kind of interesting. Why is this so low though? I don't know how to use this, but this is a linear layout. Why are you throwing that? No, no, man. I don't know. Don't know how this shit works. Yes. So I click on welcome, and then text I can say hello Dhruv. Enter. Okay. And in here, hello Dhruv. Okay, text view. Okay, okay, I'm getting this. I'm getting this. Alright, alright. We'll build it in a sec. But before that, um, rebuild the app. I'll do that in a sec. Layout your 3D scene with Spacial Editor. Early in the tutorial says you download the Spacial Editor. On a computer, open the Spacial Editor, select project, and navigate to main.spatial file stored in sample app scenes. So, if I go to Spatial, Meta Spatial Editor v1, not now, open project, right? I come to app and copy path, absolute path. Come here, Control V. Then where was it? App scenes, scenes, main.metaspatial. I believe it was that main.metaspatial. Open the main.metaspatial file to see your scene. To move up the panel in the 3D viewport, okay. In the toolbar, select file, save on your composition, and in the Android Studio, run your app again. Cool. Seems nice. Okay. Oh, so this is like a viewport. Oh, okay. Can I navigate around this? Yes. I'm doing right click doesn't do anything. Oh, okay. This is weird. This is gonna take time to get used to, but I can work with this. So composition, environment panel. So I can take this panel and move it to the left. Is it? And then the rotation. Is this like Unity? Can I drag this? No. That kind of sucks, man. 100, enter. No. Let's do 200. No. Let's do 10. No. Let's do minus 30. Okay, I like that. So I do this, I do this, and I'm very used to Unity, so this is being a slight pain in the, everything for me. But I can do that now, and that. Okay. And this should be a little higher. I feel, okay, that's too high. Bring it down. And the panel, does the panel have any properties? Okay, panel ID at layout UI example. So that's what it's using. Okay, cool, file, save. So what this does is, I think this is just a very fancy editor for GLTF. That's what I'm going to assume this is, just a very giant header of a GLTF file, plus some extra settings here and there. So now I go back to this. Oh, first of all, go back to the see and make sure that stuff is working. It is. So do that, and we should build it. Seems cool. I just don't like the fact I can't do anything right now. But hey, listen, when we actually do stuff beyond just seeing how stuff works, I'm going to be using VS Code because this stuff doesn't seem to be working for some reason. It's running. Yay! So cast. I need to make sure you can see my screen. You can. Alright, so it says hello through there. Nice, good stuff. Epilepsy. Cool. Yeah, that was pretty cool, not gonna lie. I'd like to do more. Okay. Next steps is adding models to the scene. Yo. There was more? What? Oh, create with the meta special. Yo, wait, I want to touch this stuff. Perhaps. Cool. So before you begin, completely okay. The cube that you add is add cube doesn't appear because you add it during runtime. Behind the scenes, your program adds entities and components you create in runtime using entity to create the output. Yeah, since we're adding it in runtime, right? Like Unity editors there, and you're basically building a cube during runtime. Yeah, you use Spacial editor as much as possible. So clean up the scene. Since you add your own 3D models to the scene later in the tutorial, remove the cube you created in the add cube. Um, yeah. First, let's remove our cube. Again, this thing is just a huge glorified GLTF editor, which makes it very convenient, right? So let's get rid of this entity. I wish you could name the entities, that'd be convenient. To make the 2D panel in a movie screen, we need to be a little larger. Click on in the Spacial editor, click on panel, and the right side set the size as follows: 4 and 2.25. So click on that and do 4 2.25. Enter. Translation, make the 0 0 0 and 0. Right. Then I can bring this up and I can bring this back. So now we have a giant screen. Import 3D model. To decorate the scene so it looks more like a movie theater, you'll add some 3D models. Now, Metal Special SDK supports GI also. It's a GLTF, a common 3D model format. Sketchfab is a great place to find 3D models. You can access the library in a toolbar under View Show Assets. Oh, let's add some 3D assets. View Show Asset Library. So come here, View Show Asset Library. Okay, so I'm assuming this uses Sketchfab in the backend. Not sure. Watch this. Cool. Add some models. Change your spawn point. Oh, that's convenient. We can add. You can change the spawn point. Why can't I see anything? Furniture. All. Don't want a basketball. Thank you very much. I will take a coffee table. So now I can already place that coffee table somewhere. So I need to move Scenes, composition. How did I rotate my cam? I was sure I could do it earlier. Have I? Okay, I don't care. Take this, rotate in the y-axis by 90 degrees. Then I'm gonna scale this in this z-axis by 2. I'm gonna put this down there and bring this up just a tad bit. Control S. I think it's saved. Yeah. Now on scene ready. Scene dot set view origin. Set view origin. Okay, we're removing it. Okay, this is a minus. So I go to start a sample and make this 3. Play a video. So let's click on build. UI example. But the UI example is still 2 in 1. I don't. I wonder how that's going to go into effect. Alright, that's done. Come here, click on cast. Yeah, pretty cool. Oh, you can't see anything, can you? That is annoying. Why doesn't it do that all the time? Yeah, mighty convenient. Okay, I like the special editor. It's like Unity. Helps. So now let's play a video. Let's play video in Android Studio as URL. I'll replace the code with this simple sample. Drawable. Interesting. Web view. Okay, the panel is now blank. This code creates a blank panel perhaps. So I go here. Oh, close this. Go here. Control A V. Yes. Go to drawable mode. It's now blank. Yeah, I thought so. Code view. Yo, ChatGPT, help me out. And the panel is now blank. Now point your web view to a YouTube video. Yo. Change your code to match this code block by adding the code. Proceed by A and removing the code. Proceed by A. This. Okay. So remove width and height. And then add all the new panel stuff. Hook to execute code and within a panel. Once there is retrieved from the root view, you can modify settings on it and load a URL into it using the load URL. Standard Android method. You can do load URL. Is this a standard Android method? Yeah, it is a standard Android method. Yo, that's cool. Yo, that's cool. So remove width and height first of all. Makes sense. Remove width and height. Why restrict yourself? Then panel registration config. Oh, it's a list. Oh, it's a list. Okay, it's a little different. I can work with this though. So we create a new component. That's this. Control C here. Control V. Um, oh, this is supposed to go inside the list. Panel illustration. I can't tell. Okay, this is config. So panel is inside panel illustration. So it comes after this. VS. I think. A panel. Right, that's the YouTube URL. Is this even valid anymore? Control C, Control T, V. Yeah, it is valid. Works with me. So Control S, Control left. Spatial SDK in GitHub repository. Oh, why is there an error? But why is there an error? I don't know. One second. Um, that was weird. Alright, so what's the issue here? Unresolved reference, web view. What? Val web view. Am I putting panel in the wrong place? Ah, ah. Let's go and set config. I think there needs to be a comma here. I don't know what this language is. Panel registration. I did what you wanted me to, brother. What the heck? This is configuration. Panel within panel registration, you put panel. I'm doing all of that. Do I have to import something? Web view. Yes, I did that. This is saved. This is ID web view. Find view by ID web view RID web view. Yes. Web settings. This makes complete and utter sense. Why are you throwing an error? And the issue, I can't even see what's the issue. Unresolved reference load URL. Something is not working correctly. Some import is not working. I can't even deal with the problem. What kind of language is this? Move on. I don't want to touch this. No, I don't want that. You told me how to put video inside this. What the heck, man? What the heck? Add special SDK setup. So just doing tutorials. Why would I do it into a phone application? Oh, this teaches from scratch. Yo, Blender. Immersive activity.kt. Okay. Local floor. And then you create the entities. Download the drawable. GLB file goes in the assets. Okay, so these are all permissions, Android permissions primarily speaking. Oh, for shit's sake, man. Why you calling? Yeah, what's up? Okay, hi. Hi. Huh? What am I eating for dinner? I don't know. Yes, now your call is now on video, bastard. No, we don't. Huh? What? Today? No, full day tomorrow holiday. Unless something, I'm not 100% sure. But I found something was circulated. I'll send it to you now. Okay. Fine. Bye. Now I gotta send him a file. That was weird. Excellent connection. Thank you very much. So that was funny. Go back here. This is just a bunch of permissions. More permissions. Deploy and run the application. At this point, you've updated your launch activity to new immersive activity. You see something like this. Add a panel. I'm just more interested in creative meta spatial editor, my dude. How to combine your 2D Android activity. So you got to create a new ID for a panel. Okay, I can somewhat understand this stuff. You create a new identity. You create a new entity. This time you're creating a panel entity, which is, I'm assuming, existing within a separate data structure. It's not the same thing as entities, I think. Don't know, it has to have a transform, so I'm going to assume it has to have a transform component. Transform, yeah, it has a transform component. Quaternion. Why the three value? Um, I am tripping. 1 second. When we added a cube, I apologize to the fans. I should have done that apology a long time ago. Um, your quaternion was three values. That's not what a quaternion is. A quaternion is supposed to be four values. So that means that depending on the number, okay, okay. I mean, I would like it if you specified like in Unity that you're doing a quaternion Euler form of quaternion because I got confused and thought it was a real quaternion. I admit I'm kind of dumb. I didn't realize it was in three values. Uh, Putting that aside, I actually need to talk to someone for a second. Um, I am back. I had to speak things that were not allowed to be spoken. College stuff. Right, so you register a panel. Hmm, hmm, I understand. This is pointless. I'm not going to do this though. I mean, I understand what this is, but it's like putting a 2D app inside of a 3D application. It's cool. I understand it. But why? I'm more interested in the part where you created the meta spatial editor. That's cool. Updated last year. Okay. Will guide you to creating a basic look at spatial application. Okay. In a 3D rendering and VR application, they look at functional developers. Okay. Set up a project download before you begin. You have to make sure you have it installed. Follow things. To save time, we already have set up project composition. Download the custom component starter spatial SDK application. Open it in Android Studio. Okay, not okay. Just make it open and you link it in the hard chief. Custom components. Yo, custom components is interesting. Oh, code lab starters. Oh, I already think I already have that then. Um, close this, take that, open project. Code lab starters. And what was it called? Custom components. This window. Now, with the project open in Android Studio, familiarize the structure of the Android SDK app to effectively navigate this. Java contains the scripts. Metaspatial composition includes the main composition file. Metaspatial composition. Right. Metaspatial. What's a composition file? Oh, it's down here. Why are you? This is retarded. Okay, we'll get to it then. Run the application on a meta quest. Troubleshoot the app will look like this. Add the composition in the Metaspatial editor. Drag this into the composition. That's an ECS, yes. So you can do more components, I think. Let's see. So I go here, now I go here and open a project. Go back, go back, go back. Click on custom components, app, scenes, main, spatial. You got the basketball. That's very convenient. I click on the basketball. It's already grabbable. You already gave me the project. Okay, we can add more stuff. Pretty cool. Data store to keep in track of your time, TRS values. Transform? Transforms. Yeah, it's just a transformation values. Extra options. Presumably, you can determine the maximum height of the object to be resized when it's being grabbed. Any height. Okay. The handle that you grab onto. Okay. Okay. So I click on the basketball. Grabbable is enabled auto. Is grab auto, type auto, or like face. Face is more appreciable. Reference asset, grabbable component. Who the frick are you? I can grab the robot. Oh. The file sets up a 3D environment including the skybox. Sections marked to do will be complete later in the tutorial. Let's just look at system and component. Get the robot and basketball entities from the composition. Add the look at component to the robot set points at the basketball. So come here, 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 here. It's already done. What's the point of this? I don't understand. simple. Create a custom component. Look at system and look at KT. So over here we have look at system and metrics. No, this is KT and system. This is all of the data, and it's the entity part. No, it's the component part. Sorry. This updates over at execute. Yeah. This is performing a query to get the entities. You are traversing through the GLTF and getting this. Look at component. Axis. Look at it. Oh, okay. This makes sense. Yeah. Hmm. Look at system. Set component. This seems like a very roundabout way of doing this. That's my question. Why can't the meta spatial error do this for me automatically? I don't see why it can't. I mean, I get it. It's supposed to be easy, but this is just annoying. Packages. Hmm. This is important. Physics is important. OVI metrics. Cast input forward. This looks interesting. Oh, this is cool. How do I do this? In your meta Spacial SDK, okay, um, um, using input forwarding, connect your headset. Connect your headset to the computer, make sure the O shows up. Follow the cast. Oh, oh, wait a sec, I can do this. Oh, what? Did this get disconnected? Alright, now that's connected. Click on this. Building. This is the main function. This the main function. Register features. Okay. Hot load. Interesting. Very interesting. On create network asset loader. Yeah, we are component manager basically before runtime and during runtime. Before the actual runtime happens, we're registering systems one by one. Okay. Okay. Launch on a device. This is already launched on device. So if I come here and do cast, you are supposed to not be doing that. Um, why can't I do it? Cast settings, right eye, left eye. Oh, it had to be the left eye. Move WASD, QEs for up down. Sprint is shift, click, look around, grab. So, okay, no, I expected to actually. Why can't I move around though? That's billboarded. Huh. Control. Oh, so I do this. There we go. So control shift. Okay, so this actually gives me very Unity editor like ability. It's just really annoying. But like I can not grab this, so I need to be closer. E. Give me control. No. Click. Click. Grab a space mouse. Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? There we go. Grab this guy too. And see this system is looking at the ball. This is really cool. This works. It's kind of slow, but it gets the job done to some extent. What's this? Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright. So we'll end stream for now. Um, Stream has been running for a very long time now. So we stop streaming for now. Cool. I'll stream again eventually, hopefully. We did some stuff, but things are still quite confusing. Bye bye.